How to share TikTok video on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can share TikTok video on Snapchat. So in order to share TikTok video on Snapchat, all you have to do is watch this video till the end. Currently TikTok isn't working in my region, so I'm just gonna instruct you what you have to do is. First thing, when you open up your TikTok application, you need to locate the following video that you actually wish to share on the Snapchat. Then you have to download the video into your gallery, and once you've downloaded the video, then you have to share it to your Snapchat. So I'm gonna show you the downloaded video. Once you've downloaded the following video, then what you have to do is go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Now, you can also directly share it from the TikTok application itself, but then I'm unable to use the TikTok application. I'm using a different alternative method. So all you have to do is go to your memories, and from there you need to access your camera roll. There you need to access the TikTok video. So as you can see, these are the ones. Now you can either add it to your story or send it to the users. So now I'm going to send it to the following users and tap the next button. And here you go, that you've shared TikTok video to your Snapchat. So that's basically how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.